This is the M3 Ultra. It's a super ruggedized smartwatch certified to MIL-STD-810H, 15 different tests, really solidly built. You've got Bluetooth calling in this one. You can toggle on and off right from the watch. A nice range of brightness, do not disturb, twist your wrist to see the time if you want to, and a nice super bright flashlight you can use outdoors. You got lots of different controls on here. In the overall settings, you can change the faces. You have always on display. Nice controls on that one too, where you can just cover the screen to turn it off, or twist your wrist to bring up the time. And always on watch faces are available to it too. You got many more things in here. Calls, workouts, heart rate, blood oxygen, stress is monitored. You got your voice assistant, Google Siri, weather in your area, a built-in compass in this one, and boy, is it nice. You also have barometer and altitude and GPS, a dual frequency system with 6-star positioning. You got many different watch faces. When you go up, you got all of these controls. When you go down, you got nice little tabs that show you what's going on in your body in all of these different categories. Sleep time, women's health is part of it. You even got a stopwatch that can run in the background, countdown timers, and much more. The band is really well produced. It's a nice silicone band, stretchable, with extra features on it that make it exquisite. It's a really nice one. It is called the M3 Ultra. Check it out.